Okay, today we're going to make our beetroot strawberry blueberry smoothie. We're going to start the base off with a little quarter cup of orange juice. Okay. And we're going to just use one strawberry. Cut up that one strawberry. Let's put that in our cup. 2 teaspoons of blueberries. 2 scoops. Let's put 3 scoops. Use that one. Put a couple of chia seeds, half a teaspoon. And fresh beetroot. Fresh beetroot that we're going to cut. I don't like to use the outside. Beetroot is good for the heart. Put that in there. Let's blend that up and let's see what we got. Put it all in there. Put it in our old magic blender. Let's get it. Nice deep rich color. Alright. And there we have it. We have a beetroot strawberry blueberry with a little chia seed orange juice smoothie. Very good kick for the morning. Enjoy. Bon appetit.